Hello children, welcome back to EVS class. All of you open your EVS book, Our Environment, chapter number 3, Our Food. Chapter number 3, Our Food. Yesterday I have introduced this chapter, and here we have discussed what will happen if we will not eat food. You will feel hungry and weak, and what food gives us? Food gives us energy. It makes us healthy and strong. Food helps us to grow. And how many times we eat in the day, children? 3 times. That is morning, afternoon and night. What they are called? Morning when we eat, it is called breakfast. Afternoon what we eat is called lunch. And at night what we eat is called dinner. These types we have discussed. So let's move on to the next page. Page number 12. Wow, see, nice pictures they have given. And yesterday we have seen breakfast, lunch, dinner. See, in the breakfast they have included milk, bread and eggs. These are included in the breakfast. Or you can eat upma, avlaki, idli. These things are also included in breakfast. This is morning. In the morning what we eat is breakfast. After that, in afternoon what we eat is lunch. L-U-N-C-H is lunch. See, they have included here roti, sabzi, rice, dal, fruits, and some idlis are also included. If you want to eat it in lunch, then you can eat in lunch also idlis you can eat, or rice you can eat. So this is full meal. Full meal means everything is included. Fruits, vegetables, dals, rice, everything. So this will fulfill the needs of the body. Whatever energy we need, we will get from this food. And in dinner, see, they have given roti, sabzi, dal. It is, in quantity it is less. So night we must eat less, children, because we will not be doing any exercise and all at the night. So it will accumulate in the body and you will become fat. Instead of that, breakfast should be heavy, lunch should be included everything, and dinner should be light, because after dinner we will be sleeping. Okay, so let's read what they have given. We should have a variety of food items in our meals. In meals, if you are eating only one type, chapati, sabzi, chapati, sabzi, chapati, sabzi, that is not sufficient for our body. There are different requirements of the body. To fulfill those requirements, we have to eat variety of food items in our meals. This should include energy giving food. See, some food will give us energy, like roti, rice, bread, butter, potato, sugar and honey. These foods gives us energy, and these should be included in our meal. Okay, next. Food that helps us to grow should also be a part of our meal. Some food help us to grow. See, children, when you are born, you are very small papu baby. But as soon as you become at the age of 1, 2, 3, you will grow, no children? Or you will become smaller? No, you will grow. So these things help us to grow. So these items should be included in your food. Food that helps us to grow should also be a part of our meals. This includes milk, curd, cheese, pulses. Pulses means dal. Dals are called pulses. Eggs, chicken and fish. If you are non-vegetarian, you can include these things. If you are vegetarian, leave this. You can eat milk, curd, cheese and dals. Okay. Next, fruits and vegetables help us to stay healthy. Fruits and vegetables help us to stay healthy, so they should also be a part of our meal. So they should be included in our meal. So fruits are also important, vegetables are also important, dal is also important, milk, curd, potato, bread instead of maida bread you can have wheat bread. If you eat wheat bread, brown bread, wheat or brown bread, that is more healthier than the maida bread. Okay, if these things if you include in your food, you will become healthy and strong. Okay children, I hope you understood this page. So we will meet in our next class children. Thank you.